What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. In this video we're going to install some gas struts for the bonnet so I don't have to use this thing anymore. It looks like it might rain, so hopefully it doesn't, but let's get into the video. So this is what comes in the kit. You got 2 struts, you got some brackets, and that's it. No instructions. So let's figure this out. I'm pretty sure a bracket gets mounted to here, one of these, and one goes to here. So one of these brackets, you got 2, you're gonna have to figure out which side's which. It goes on this front bolt, it sits right there. But I should have another bolt that goes into this guard, but I do not have that, so I'm gonna have to get one. I might just do that later if this isn't strong enough. On the other one, we just want to take the first bolt off and chuck that on like that. First, we're just going to take the guard bracket off, the guard bolt off, sorry. It should be something like that. So let's see if we can get this tightened down. Just like that, and that bracket is not moving. Then next we will get a bigger socket, a 12mm socket, and we will take the front top bolt off the bonnet, just like that. And we'll sit this here like this somewhere. I'll get it back in and tighten that right up. Then we'll get one of our struts and we'll just clip it in, I guess. Just like that, and then like that. So that's one strut in. Let's do the other side. Now tight, as tight as we want. It's not going to come off. Pop that on. And now the moment of truth. We should be able to take this off and it stays up. Oh, look at that. It's staying up on its own. That's beautiful. And does this close? No more of this bullshit. That's beautiful. That's very happy. Nice and clear now. Oh, I'm happy with that. And when I do this, it does push in this guard a bit, so I might chuck another bolt in it. Thank you for watching this video. That was a super simple install. Anyone can do that. So if you enjoyed the video, give me a like. Everyone should do that mod. It's I mean, this only cost me, I think it was 60 bucks or something. Just a kit off eBay. Works beautiful. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I don't know what's the next one, but I got a couple more things coming to this car, so stay tuned for that and I'll catch you then.